Cheatgrass is an annual grass that's invading a lot of the western United States into the sagebrush ecosystem. Limiting the spread of cheatgrass is the most important thing we can do for conserving our biodiversity. We're at Red Canyon Ranch. We're here today to collect data on the plants before this area gets treated to reduce the cheatgrass. Cheatgrass competes with the native plants and makes it hard for them to grow. It's a huge threat to our livestock, to our wildlife, and it also increases the risk of fire substantially. Cheatgrass grows early in the season and it dries up and then dies and becomes this dry, dead material that can burn really easily and can carry a fire quickly over a large area.
We're really lucky to have these preserves that we can use as living laboratories. This preserve is right on the edge of the Wind River Mountains, which is the leading edge of cheatgrass in this particular geography. And that's part of our work right now, is figuring out, can we really identify where the leading edge of cheatgrass is at the edge of the Wind River Mountains.
While we can't eradicate cheatgrass, we can reduce its spread. Part of our real goal here is to prevent cheatgrass from really moving into those places where it hasn't yet invaded.
Today we're doing two different field methods. The first are 50-meter transects. The second are walking visual estimates. At the 50-meter transects, we stretch a tape between two pieces of rebar, and then at every meter along that tape, we use a pin to identify the different species that are present at that particular location. We might hit big sagebrush, then taper-tip hawksbeard, then cheatgrass, and then bare ground. The second field method is walking visual estimates, where we stop systematically and record what plants are present within a 3-meter radius. We'll use these visual estimates to test how well satellite imagery is picking up on the leading edge of invasion.
The sagebrush ecosystem is this vast ecosystem that used to cover 175 million acres of the western US and Canada, and it is shrinking rapidly. We're losing 1 million acres a year, mostly due to cheatgrass.
Continuing this research has real potential to conserve what makes the Greater Yellowstone so unique and important, which is the sagebrush.